Hi guys, finally we are back after a year. I'm Alpa and I'm taking you all to one of Skåne's largest zoo named Skånes Djurpark, which is located in Hur. Welcome adventurers to a day of wild wonders at enchanting Animal Park. Prepare to be captivated by the diverse array of creatures that call this place home. From the spirited antics of farm animals like goats, hen, to the gentle charm of rabbits and the elegance of horses, every corner of this park is alive with activity and beauty. Behold the harmony of nature as we can see the wild bird creating its nest. While our wild boar and playful seal make the most of their aquatic playground. In the heart of wilderness, where the cat is prowling in the shadows. Hidden treasures await the elusive red fox. We were excited to see him, but he was sleeping in bushes.
Mama, look at this skunk. This wolf is ginormous.
Witness the breathtaking spectacle of eagle, just arrived and looking all around. Alongside the playful antics of bear, which is the biggest attraction of this park. As it indulges in hearty meal and bathing in the small pond. Amongst the tranquil slumber of the sleeping lynx and the watchful gaze of the owl. The mysteries of these wonderful animals come alive, enveloping park in an aura of magic and wonder. Look at the wild goat with big horns stands proudly, nibbling on vegetation. From the rugged peaks to the rolling meadows, the park is home to a diverse cast of characters. Including the regal moose, who is very huge, the mighty bison, who is looking like a Hulk in the jungle, and the king of birds, each adding their unique charm to the tapestry of nature. The only cutest white deer who is having pride of himself, You can also spot the reindeer in this park. See, we have found a little one.
Hey, Mama and Dada, he's looking at us.
And as the sun sets on another unforgettable day in paradise, guests can unwind in luxury at a stunning resort over here. Where every room boasts a front row seat to the wonders of the wild. There is an exclusive water resort for kids who can enjoy the water slides at the end of the park. There is a small ride for kids of Shaun the Sheep. Last summer they added the theme of Dinosaurs Park as well. We enjoyed our trail on the bridge, which had obstacles in it. Join us next time for more adventures as we uncover the hidden treasures and untold stories of life in Sweden. Until then, stay safe, my friends. Hello!